Hey, this is Jenny Jones. How you doing out there? Wanted to share some good words here about working in partnership in tandem with Selldone. Selldone has been tremendously good to me in their affiliate program, and it's been so well to me, and we've had such a good relationship and partnership that I'm actually now into their partner program where I'm doing a lot more affiliate things for them and bringing more awareness to their channel. Anybody out there is looking to partner with good partners, right? There's a lot of founders out there you never really know, but working with Ali and his team over there at Selldone has been pretty good for me and my wallet. So just want to let you know if there's an opportunity for you to join their affiliate program, I would highly recommend it. They're doing a lot of different things that a lot of people don't even know about, and I think the more the words gets out, then a lot of people are going to catch on. If I were you, I would try to get in on the ground floor. Hey, this has been Jenny Jones. You guys take care out there. And again, I highly recommend it working with Selldone and their team. All right. Thanks. Goodbye.